Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make collagen oil at home. First, understand that collagen oil is a beneficial addition to your skincare routine, promoting elasticity and hydration. Crafting it yourself guarantees you know exactly what goes into your product, avoiding unnecessary chemicals. We'll walk through each step, from selecting your ingredients to the final storage, making the process straightforward and enjoyable. Get ready to enhance your beauty regimen with a natural, homemade solution. To begin, gather your essential ingredients and equipment. You'll need 2 tablespoons of high-quality collagen peptides, which are the foundation of our oil. Next, choose about 4 ounces of a nourishing carrier oil. Jojoba or sweet almond oil are excellent choices due to their skin benefits. For your tools, grab a small saucepan, a whisk for thorough mixing, and a clean, airtight glass jar for storing your finished product. Having everything ready makes the process smooth. Now, let's get to the preparation. Start by gently warming your chosen carrier oil in a small saucepan over very low heat. Avoid boiling the oil, as high temperatures can degrade the collagen. Once the oil is warm, slowly add the collagen peptides, whisking continuously. This gradual addition helps prevent clumping and ensures the collagen dissolves evenly. Continue to stir for about 5 to 7 minutes, allowing the collagen to fully infuse into the oil, creating a smooth, consistent mixture. Once your collagen oil has cooled completely, carefully pour it into your clean, airtight glass jar. Proper storage is key to maintaining its potency. Keep it in a cool, dark place away from direct sunlight, and it should last for up to 3 months. Apply a few drops to your skin daily for best results, focusing on areas needing extra hydration or elasticity. And for easy meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals to simplify your routine. Enjoy your radiant, nourished skin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.